What's up guys, the Corvette coming at you with another video today. So pretty much what I wanted to do in this video is go over a couple of the things that I've done and added to the car, especially in the category of ground effects. Now, a couple of these videos that I've made, when I put all the ground effects on, I was going to initially do a how-to video on each one of them, but things changed and I went ahead and just did it all pretty much in one day with the help of my cousin and my dad. And I started to do that and it ended up not being done for some of them. So some of these videos that you'll see have parts of me actually explaining the process of it, and some of them don't. Some of them have, you know, more than others. So pretty much what I want to do is just kind of go over my thoughts and opinions on the different parts that I've added on there, just to make a video just so y'all can see how it looks on the car and just kind of, you know, touch base and keep up with y'all with it. So but I'll try to do an actual install video of other things that I've done in the future. So hopefully y'all liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if y'all do. But without further ado, let me go ahead and talk about it. All right guys, so the first thing what you want to do before we start this installation, there's some clips holding this bezel in for the taillight. Take your pry tool here, go ahead and pry right in the middle and pop out, and then these will come out. Same thing for the other side. All right guys, right inside, right up in there, it's kind of hard to see, but there's two, I think, T-bit something bolts. Go and take those out before you can take the bumper off. Also, this little gray stripping right here that goes all the way along, you're gonna peel that off and then use a T, I think it's a 7, I think, or I'll let you know, but use that to get those off. As you can see, it's just held in by clips, so just kind of pry out. Once you got that pried out, go ahead and you can just stick it to the side. Go ahead and remove all of these T-bits all along. All right guys, now under the car, you're gonna see some bolts right here. There's 3 bolts and then 2 right there and right there. Go ahead and take both those off on both sides. All right guys, once those bolts are out, you can go ahead and take off this mud flap shield here. Just pry out. Like so. It'll fall out. And then there's 2 T10 bits there that'll need to come out as well. All right, and then afterwards, there's 2 10mm bolts right there and right there, right behind the exhaust that'll need to come out as well. Alright guys, so pretty much what you'll do is to prep this, there's this kind of cushion that looks like 3M tape. It's not 3M tape. Go ahead and cut it. There's little cutouts that can tell you exactly how much you're going to need to put on there. Go ahead and put these on there. Get everything prepped and ready. There's these bolts that go in here. Go ahead and tighten them in, just hand tight, and the little washers as well that will go on there to kind of create cushion. Go ahead and do that for the whole thing, and then you'll be ready to go ahead and bolt it into the car.
All right, everybody, so I know I kind of sped through the process and I didn't really show everything on how to get the rear spoiler installed, but there's other videos online that can show you there. This video is pretty much just showing you just a couple quick, you know, steps doing it and just kind of an overlap of basically how it looks. But and the install, I think it came out pretty good though. Does look a lot different in my opinion. Great quality construction. Link will be in the description below if you want to find out where it is, where I purchased it from. But overall, I think a pretty awesome mod, if I might say so. All right guys, well again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy the video. I'll be giving a couple more videos out just going over stuff that I'm going to be doing to the car. But until the next one guys, peace.